meeting. Last week we had our first meeting as Azimio presidential campaign Nyanza team at the same place. This is the secretariat for the Western Kenya region for Azimio. Today we had a meeting again. So what this team has come up with is first the structures. So we have the Nyanza Azimio presidential campaign team, but below that we have each county having a board, campaign board, where we have the coordinators, and in each county we have 3 coordinators, one of whom must be from either gender. And so we have a board membership of around 11 and 13 depending on the size of the county. So in terms of structures, we have the Nyanza region presidential campaign team that is co-chaired by the 2 of us. Below that, we have the county boards, and each board has a representative from each constituency is represented in the board. Then we have ward committees, which has a membership of 10. That structure is already in place. So today we were receiving reports from each county and from each ward, membership to the various committees. So that is already in place. We have also set up a secretariat here of 6 members, 1 from each county, to coordinate activities of this team.
And so on. We'd like you to keep on explaining this to the people of Kenya to know why Azimio la Umoja, One Kenya Party candidate Raila Odinga must be elected for president on the 9th of August this year to finally finish the journey that he's been struggling for. And all of us have been struggling for the last 40 years. So I thank you, members of the 4th Estate, for what they are doing. Continue doing it.
Thank you.
Something I forgot.
Yeah, just add
Yeah.
and we can. Yeah.
In terms of the institutional structuring, we have a number of parties here in Nyanza region. There are many more probably in Kisii, in the Kisii region, than there could be in the Luo Nyanza part of the region. But they must all be involved in that coordination. You are talking about close to not less than 10 parties. And that is why in the institutional frameworking, we are saying at least each county should have at least a maximum of 11, so that we take care of the regional, the representation, taking care of all the parties that are there. There are not issues of saying that we are going to vote for Baba, because Baba is going to be our 5th president, but we must work hard in order to achieve that. It is to tell our people to turn out to vote.
Secondly, we have been informed and we are aware that our presidential candidate is going to visit Nyanza region from 13th of this month to 19th. On 13th and 14th, Raila Odinga will be in Kisii County. On 15th, he will be in Nyamira County. On 16th, he will be in Homa Bay County. On 17th, he will be in Migori County. On 18th, he will be in Siaya County. And on 19th, him and his team will be in UK, Kisumu County.